How do unloaded assets affect Roblox feet per second? Imagine playing your favorite Roblox game and suddenly noticing your screen stuttering or your character jerking around. It can be frustrating, right? Well, a lot of that comes down to how the game handles assets that haven't fully loaded. When you're in a Roblox game, assets like parts, textures, meshes, or scripts need to load properly for smooth gameplay. If they don't, it can cause your frames per second to drop. Unloaded assets are game elements that haven't finished loading or rendering when you're playing. Sometimes, these assets are large or numerous, and that can cause problems. For example, if you're exploring a big map with many parts that are out of your view, the game engine still has to process them in the background. This extra work can slow down your game because your computer is trying to manage things you can't even see. It's like trying to clean your entire house when you only need one room cleaned. The extra effort slows everything down. Another issue is when assets suddenly load in while you're moving fast through the game. This can cause what's called frame hitches or stutters. You might see your game freeze for a moment or notice a sudden drop in feet per second. This happens because the game needs to load new assets quickly, which takes processing power. If your internet connection is slow, it can make this worse because assets take longer to load, causing more lag and more feet per second drops. Using inefficient assets can also make things worse. For example, if you use unions instead of optimized meshes, it takes more resources to render. Large or poorly optimized assets take longer to load and process, which can cause more lag. To fix this, developers can use streaming techniques, which load only the assets you see and hide the rest. This reduces the load on your computer and keeps feet per second higher. Monitoring asset loading times and script performance can help find bottlenecks. Tools like the microprofiler show what's slowing down your game. Also, good network conditions matter a lot. If your internet is slow or unstable, assets won't load quickly, and that can cause feet per second issues. In short, unloaded assets cause extra work for the game engine, which can lead to frame drops and stuttering. Managing assets well, using streaming, and optimizing game design are key to keeping your gameplay smooth. When assets load efficiently, and only when needed, your game runs better, and lag becomes much less of a problem. Understanding how the game handles assets out of view and making smart choices about asset management can really improve your Roblox experience.